Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a video that's circulating on social media. It's about two persons that broke off the lock on the Bogwalk Gorge gate. Now they actually broke off the lock. So what happened is Tropical Storm Ian was passing south of Jamaica. I didn't come ashore, but we got a lot of rain. And so the Bogwalk Gorge has a problem with flooding whenever it rains heavily. So the government put in this system where whenever the rainwater or the water in the gorge in the river rises up to cover the gorge, they have a system set up where they lock the gates to the gorge. So that will tell motorists or anybody that's using the gorge it's not safe to go into the gorge. They have like railway gates and they put a padlock on it. So because of the forecasted weather or the forecasted rise in the water, the gorge was locked. Now two persons decided they wanted to use the gorge even though it was raining and the water was very dangerous. So they decided to go ahead and break the locks of the gorge, the gate to the gorge. I mean, this is another level of irresponsible, because when they left the gorge gate open. So another motorist coming along and seeing the gate open is going to think, okay, it's safe to use the gorge. So this incident was caught on video camera. And this gate, there are two gates, one at each entrance to the gorge. This one was the dam head entrance to the gorge. So the government denounced the actions of persons removing the locks on the gates to the Bogwalk Gorge. The gates were closed because the gorge was flooded. And the gates were closed to ensure the safety of persons who would use the gorge. So subsequently, the government said that the police were to use all the resources available to them to find these persons. Now, you know what that means? That is the government telling the police to find these people, make this a priority. So naturally the people were found. One person was taken into police custody and the second person was ordered to report to the police. I'm not sure if he actually did, but he would eventually, or the police would find him, because there's nowhere in Jamaica you can run and hide. And the police have your picture, they actually have your name, they know who you are. So it's just a matter of time before they would find them. And this is what they actually said. Police have been directed to do a thorough investigation and the person should face the full force of the law. So when a government official says that, you know they're going to find you. It's just a matter of time. And they went on to say this kind of behavior is reprehensible and should not be tolerated. Alright, we have videos up of the gorge. You can search channel for Bogwalk Gorge or Flatbridge and you will see just what the gorge looks like. The gorge has the river on one side and the mountains on the other. So you drive on a very narrow strip of road